Would you like to buy a boat but don't know where to start? Well, here at Barche Bellandi, you can have personalized advice for you, for your nautical needs, but above all, for your nautical dreams. Bellandi Boats is not a generalist boat dealer, but an official dealer. As such, when we sell used boats, we also provide a legal warranty of conformity along with your next boat. The Bellandi family, of which I'm a part, has been in boating since '81 for 40 years. Let's not stop at providing you with the boat to manage, but we will personally handle its management through our Garda Lake, our storage facility located here on Lake Garda, in order to fully manage your boat for you. We will answer the questions, where do I put it and how do I manage it? Here the boat will simply be stored thanks to the fact that we will manage everything ourselves, all the services related to the boat, in addition to obviously granting you parking spaces and all the services of the marina that will be at your complete disposal. Oh my God, one thing I haven't considered is the possibility of something breaking. But don't worry, we have that covered too. We have a fully equipped workshop where we can repair any type of engine we handle. So you can rest assured there will be zero problems and zero worries. Boats are not just engines, they also consist of a major part made of glass, resins, and wood. For any repairs, restorations, or refittings, we have a dedicated body shop. In modern terms, we refer to this as the regeneration of a used boat. So if you want to sail without any concerns, we've got you covered. Or more precisely, you have to utilize your head, but we will take care of the boat. Thanks to Garda Lake, we provide you with our brand new boats for your enjoyment. You can choose from our fleet of boats, both boats with a license and boats without a license. So even here, no thoughts, you really enjoy the lake and you enjoy, for the first time or maybe even many other times, the mainland from a different point of view. Don't waste any more time. Call us. All our contacts can be found below in the descriptive drop-down. We will be at your disposal to answer you and solve your, in quotes, problem, that of being able to go boating quickly and fast. Don't forget, subscribe to the Barche Bellandi channel right here next to me so you don't miss a single video, a single test, and a single piece of information.